What's up, YouTube? Woke up today in a better mood than yesterday. What? On the way to BJ's. Feeling good. Every day you get up and you wake up and open your eyes and see that everyone in your house is in good mood and spirits. Is a blessed day. Right, gang?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe. What did I say?
Maybe.
But anyway, it's Sunday, October 25th. And we're on the way to BJ's to get some stuff. Nothing too much. We gotta go to, where we going to get the ink for the printer. And that's about it. And today we're gonna have roast with red skin potatoes and carrots and fried cabbage and cornbread. That's for dinner today. I'm gonna come home, season that roast up real good and put it in the Instapot and let it cook 45 minutes to an hour depending on the size and go from there. I'm just so happy I'm in a good mood today because yesterday I could have fought Tyson. I may have lost, but I could have fought him. That's how irritated I woke up yesterday, but I'm better today. Hallelujah. But anyway, look at those two pumpkins. Oh, that thing going off because I ain't got my seatbelt on. I was just looking to see if we had gas. Wow. But anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we get to BJ's. Anybody got something to say?
No. I'm good.
Oh my goodness. My family has to get with it. All right, see y'all in a minute. We are currently at BJ's.
Yeah, it matters.
And we're about to go in and do a little bit of shopping. See you in a minute.
Get out the door.
Okay guys, we're in BJ's. Kaya's deciding on yogurt. And it's not a test.
No test. No test at all.
Here is me in BJ's. Kaya. Really, Kaya? Are you really?
You don't shake it, you'll break it.
Daddy said you don't shake it, you gonna break it. Okay, let's go. Oh, go. Let's go this way. Let's go this way, y'all.
Bounce in my face.
It's flounces. But you can't flounce mine.
You got this? Oh, I'm gonna eat some of that too.
Good, Mom.
Oh, this is BJ. My children getting along. All right, go ahead, guys. Walk straight, turn left. And turn left again. Yeah. We don't need no more of them sausages. Could y'all stop?
She's trying to kick me.
She shouldn't be. We like those, but we still got some of those at home. Oh, look at these, Quan.
We got milk, right?
Do they look? We got milk at home. Do they look good or no?
We got milk.
Yes,
You
we got
have
milk.
to try it.
I don't think so. I don't want that.
Remember we got... Mom, remember we got the Angus beef cheeseburger?
I don't remember getting that.
Yes, we did.
Like this?
Yeah, at the old house.
I think I didn't like them. We didn't like them, Quan.
I liked it.
I don't think we did.
Remember every morning before school I would eat it?
We got those and Daddy didn't like. Remember that? They still at the
this
house. No, this.
No, this... I ate that at 1A house, I think.
The chicken one.
Yeah.
That one good.
Yeah, that's real good.
You want those, Kaya?
These are real.
Are you gonna eat them? She said she's not gonna eat them.
Just because I'm on. No, that's fine.
All right, guys. We'll be right back. We trying to make decisions.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. Here's our damage from BJ's. Not too bad. Not too bad. The whole.
Once Dad put the car down, do not show the license plate.
Right. What is it called again? What? What is it called? A garage? No, not a garage. The trunk. The trunk. Mom. The trunk. Did you say?
Don't show other people license plate.
The trunk. Okay. All right. Thank you for all the information that you are feeding me. The whole truck is filled. She said, "This is not a lot. This is
our damage.
Our damage.
Truck being filled.
We love ketchup. as you can see. Love ketchup. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Get my purse, Kaya.
Take a bath in it. I'm just kidding.
Whoa, hold up.
Nah, I ain't finna do all that.
Ugh.
No. Oh boy.
My nose burning.
My nose burning too.
My face burning.
My face burning too.
I'm about to vomit. I'm just kidding.
Nah, I ain't about to. Higher. All right. While practicing safety.
Where's the safety?
Can they see me? Can they see me?
Why would you throwing cans?
Can they see me?
Yeah, see.
Ugh, touch my face.
We'll see you in a minute. Oh my God. We'll see you in a minute.
Okay.
Turn it off.
On that corner.
Okay,
Give
gang.
me your phone again.
We at Target
I pray I got my phone.
and we finna go pick up the last little stuff we need to complete Sunday dinner. Where's my glass? Oh, here they go. You know, I need these. I need my second set of eyes. And hazy. We'll show you. Maybe I'll do a little grocery haul. We'll see. All right. See you at the house, because I ain't finna video up in here because people be looking at you crazy. Even though I don't care, but I just won't. Ooh, I'm fogging up. All right. See you in a minute. Come on. Hello, everyone. We are preparing beef chuck roast for dinner tonight. And I'm seasoning it down with seasoning salt, garlic powder, pepper, salt. And I'm just going to rub this in all around. Like so. You want it all in there. How do you zoom in, Mama? You ain't gotta zoom in. You're fine. All the seasoning. Get it all in there. Alright. I'm just gonna put a little.
That's that good meat. When it's red.
Get a little close on it. Okay. Let me get this seasoning salt. Put a little bit more. I didn't do any measurements. I just eyeball it. That's what I do. I eyeball things. I ain't finna do all of that. Okay. And we will be cooking this in the Instapot. Wash my hands. Oh, okay, pause it. Wait, how do? Just stop it. Right here. Just stop it. Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay, now we're finna saute the roast, but I gotta put a little butter in the pot. In the pan. Okay. I'm gonna put it on saute. We're gonna let it warm for a minute. So it can get a little hot. Okay. Just waiting on it to get a little hot. Put it on me, come on. Okay, you cannot tell me doing a cooking video is easy, because it's not. I'm just trying something different, you know? And there's nothing wrong with that. Trying new things.
What did you have it on, fax?
I'm recording. I didn't have put it on copy. Sorry. We're just waiting for it to get warm. We're gonna pause it and we'll come back when it get warm. You did it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now I'm sauteing. That's so close, Kaya. Look up. I got another piece I gotta put in. But that's how so far it's sauteing. Putting this other little piece in. So it could get, you know, you can show me some too. That big piece. Okay, back up. Okay, saute it. You saute it on both sides for about 2 minutes. And then we're going to take it out. And we're going to put it back on there. On this wood sheet. And then we're going to saute the onions. The camera fogging up. You can't do it like that. Oh yeah. All right. Let me flip it. You can show me. Where am I going? Okay. Let me flip it. Let me think it. Let's put that on. I got my red skin potatoes that's going in there. I have my carrots, crinkle cut carrots, and I also have some mushrooms. This is something different I'm trying. I never put mushrooms in it. I wanted to try it, so I'm gonna try it with mushrooms. Hasn't quite been 2 minutes yet. Not so close, the steam will fog up. Okay, now let me flip it. Give it. On the other side, I'm gonna let it cook over there 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna sit it to the side and I'm gonna saute the onions, and then that's when I'll add my beef broth. Okay, I'm gonna pause and I'll come back when that side cooks, and then I'm taking the steaks, well, not steaks, the roast out to saute the onions. I'll pause it. You recording?
Yes.
Okay, we're back. I'm taking them out. Just saute them. They don't gotta be like that. I sauteed them on both sides. Okay. Why is you showing it like that, Kaya?
I'm trying to get good footage.
Look at the mushrooms. Oh, look at the carrots. Look at the meat. Look at the steam. Okay, excuse me. Let me come over there.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm putting in the onions. You showing me?
Yep.
As much of this as much as the seasoning as I can. You don't gotta show me getting the butter, okay? Stay in the pot. Okay. Is it season up? Smell good. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some beef broth to this. Let's go my hands. Wait, I gotta add a little more. More butter. Butter. Didn't I tell you stand hot? It's butter, mother. That brine. You're trying to get up as much of that sauce as possible. That's what okay. Now I'm gonna add the beef sauce. Ooh, the beef broth. Get good footage. Okay. Turn that around. Now, look over right here. All right. Put this in like that. Now we're gonna take. That looks good, don't it? The roast, seasoned up roast, and we're gonna put it back in there like so. Put that back in there if it will stay up. Having a little bit of difficulties, a little technical difficulties. It's our first try, but I'm gonna hold it because it's gonna stay up. Put that other piece in there. That's gonna be good. Okay, we'll be back in a minute because I gotta put my potatoes in aluminum foil, and I'm gonna put my carrots in aluminum foil, and then I'm gonna put the portobello mushrooms on top. So we'll be right back. Stop it. Yep. Okay, I got my red skin potatoes right here. Are you looking over here? You're looking at me. Oh. I got the red skin potatoes right here, and I got the carrots right here. I'm gonna wrap those because those are gonna go inside the Instapot on top. You want to wrap them up in aluminum foil because you know how the Instapot cooks fast and you don't want them to become mush. So you're going to put them on top so they won't become mush. This one may not be big enough. I'm going to put another piece on top. I don't want no mushy potato. Oh, did you see that? We're going to keep on going. Because I don't want no mushy potatoes. But I have a few that fell out. That's a blooper, but that's okay. We're going to keep rolling. We are going to keep rolling. All right. Okay, so we finna cancel this because we're about to put this in here because we're about to pressure cook, guys. Those are the potatoes, excuse me. Those are the carrots. These are. It's gonna fit, guys. Gotta close it up. Close it up. I'm gonna put a little bit more water. What you put top on me, lady? You being a too good of a camera woman. Just stay there. You don't gotta record me no more. Just stand there. All right. A little bit more. In order to make mine just so. Okay. I always had problems with this doggone top. Let me look. This is sealed. And that's vented. We gotta seal it. Let's see. See what I mean, y'all? Alright. Now we're gonna pressure cook We're gonna do it for an hour. Okay, so we'll be back. We'll be back in 1 hour to let you know how it went. Okay. Press and record?
Yep, I did.
Hello, here we are. An hour later. Look in here. That juice, we're going to make that thicker. And these are the steaks over here. Not steak. Why I keep calling steak? They are very tender. Ooh, hot. And good. I look over there. Are you too close? Because you are pretty darn close. Back up. And I'll be looking at this. And our potatoes are right here. Ooh, hot. And they're not just mush. We put some. Oh, I didn't tell you, we put the all just sauce in there. I put all just sauce in there to give some more flavor. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put just a little bit of flour to make it a little thicker. Nothing too much because you don't want it to taste like flour. And I'm gonna stir that up. The who's coming off?
No, I just wiped the thumb off.
Oh, cause don't get too close. Just stay back there.
Okay.
Cause I gotta cut the meat up and put it back in here. So look at me. When we do that, I'll be right back. You can cut it off. Hello, everybody. You recording?
Yes.
Hello, everybody. This is the finished product. That's the potatoes, the carrots, and then all that yumminess. Oh yeah, let's not forget the mushrooms. I had to add the mushrooms because, whoops, I forgot earlier. But there go the mushrooms. You see the mushrooms?
Yeah.
All of that yumminess, all into one. So, I hope you enjoyed my rendition of a pot roast. I did get some of the ingredients from a YouTuber.
Wait, hold on, I gotta wipe it off.
So, my family and I are about to eat, maybe watch a little TV, and go to bed. I might come back when we plate it up, but I don't know yet, because I'm getting a little tired. So, see you later. Please subscribe, like, share, and join the family. Bye.
Okay, press it.
Hey everyone, here is my food plated. I just want to come back and show you everything. So we had string beans, pot roast, and cornbread. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Like, comment, all that other stuff. Bye.